At some point, we will find out what Greg's New Year's resolutions are. We're gonna investigate. He's gonna keep it to himself. It's kind of like when you make a birthday wish, Greg. What are they?
I'm not telling you.
Share.
No.
I'll tell you mine if you tell me yours. Nope. Why not? Do you have goals for 2018?
Find another job.
That's us just being overly excited at what Vera discovered. And Greg just tested this out and we're like, ah! I mean, God, look how clean that is.
It's like sharper than...
It is. Yeah, it is ridiculously like razor sharp. Like my knowledge that I kick every day. What?
I like that design. I like that pattern.
That's sick, dude. Yeah. The one that you did? Yeah, dude, that design is sick, bro. That is really, really tight. It looks ridiculous. I mean,
This is,
and again, we're giving full cred on this to Vera, right, G?
oh, dude, you shred, Vera.
Yeah, totally shreds. Sick design. The Holo kits and exactly what Greg's using, you can get them at Cosmoprof stores. We are completely sold out everywhere else. The only place you can get them is at Cosmoprof. It is an insane deal. You get the Holo plus an additional mission control color. You gotta go and get these kits. Once they're gone, they're gonna be gone. We're not doing this again. The ability to do this design with Caption, it's absolutely mind-blowing. And the detail and sharpness that you're gonna be able to execute with this kit, it is crazy. Yeah. It's totally insane. So this is some new stuff. It's why we love our mentors. We love working with them on ideas, and we share. It's all about sharing and getting the information out there. And sharing is caring, right, Greg? Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. design is absolutely freaking insane in the membrane.
Just go.
Always got to throw in a little cypress. Dude, talk about it.
It's phenomenal. I mean, the way that the holo comes off the plate, it's so detailed. And you know, what's crazy is when you actually get it into the light, that sparkle is just so insane. So, it's really, really cool. When you put the top coat over the top, it doesn't drag any of the pigment. It's like in place perfection.
Yeah, the detail that you get is sharp and it cuts like a knife. Cuts like a knife!
So she puts pigment on the stamper, sets the stamper aside, puts Caption polish on the
Plate.
scrapes, takes the stamper that has the pigment on it, grabs the polish, and then stamps.
Oh.